Racing Gas is started. We have Song of Songs break quickly to start. Cuts Regal Lizaria inside. Shire comes next. Bull Session. High Money. Then next online is Pegs and Handballs. Cheap keeps Sosa Gawang Pinoy, while Tuxedo is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have the quick is striding Song of Songs on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Cuts Regal in second. Bull Session is done on the inside. Third, Shire alongside them. Next online now is Pegs and Handballs. High Money is done on the inside. Then comes Cheap Keep Sosa. Tuxedo racing second less, while Gawang Pinoy now racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Song of Songs by Orling anyhow. Bull Session in second. Moving upon the outside is Shire. In between horses comes Cuts Regal. Cheap keeps Sosa. High Money. Tuxedo. The next online is Pegs and Handballs, while Gawang Pinoy is still in less as they swing for room. Song of Songs by Orling anyhow. Bull Session now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Song of Songs. Bull Session is on the outside. The Song of Songs, Bull Session now takes the lead, and finally Bull Session. The Song of Songs, then comes Cuts Regal. Cheap keeps Sosa.
Alright, Buying Carrerista, we have an upset coming from number 6, Bull Session, crossing the wire first. Then masisisegundo, Song of Songs, 3 Cuts Regal, then nandun din yung 3 Cheap keeps Sosa. Then parang pumang-apat yung 8 si Shire. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 2.